Let's see what Santa Claus brought. Claire. What is it? Oh, you got a phone? Claire, look. Come see what it is. Oh my goodness, what is it? Claire, is it a kitchen? Oh my. What is wrong with this thing? All the pictures are blurry. Oh, what is it? Oh, did you get a kitchen? Who brought that for you? Oh no, what is it? Oh. What's that? When are you supposed to take your picture? You can wash your hands in the sink. Claire, look at Mommy. You got all kinds of pretty stuff. Yeah. Oh, you want to open some gifts? You want to open? Santa Claus brought you lots of pretty stuff. Okay, wait a minute. I'm going to read it out. Oh my goodness, you got an oven. It's a good bag now. You can get the whole thing. What is it? Oh. You want to open? Oh, oven. Close it. Bake your cake. You gonna bake a cake? Yeah. Push it up. There you go. Good job. Look on the other side. You got a microwave. Right over there. Yeah, and you got a refrigerator. Oh. How cool is that? Oh, you got lots of. Oh, you got a little teacup? Yeah. You got a coffee maker? Look, you got your own coffee pot. Coffee pot. You got a pot and pan. You can make Mom and Daddy some breakfast. What is it? Look at Mommy. Can you look at Mommy? Oh, you can reach it. Good job. What's that? Is that your cinnamon? Put it in the pot. Make us a dish. You can be a cook like Mommy. Oh my goodness. You washing your hands? Wash your hands. Good job. Oh. You wash them in the dish in the sink? You cooking? Claire, what did Santa Claus do? Santa Claus brought you lots of presents. What? You want to open something else? Huh? Want to open? Okay, sit down. There you go. You can open it. On the back. Flip it over. Flip it over. Mm. What's that? A cupcake? Washing your hands. Oh, is that another dish? There, on the other side, you got a microwave. Look. Look, Claire. Look. Microwave. A refrigerator. Oh my goodness.
Claire, you want to open up more presents?
Claire, do you look mommy? Claire. What'd you get? Did you get a kitchen?
Right here.
Who brought you a kitchen? Santa Claus? Yeah. You want to open some of the others? Santa Claus, yeah. Yeah, come on, let's open the others. Okay. Here, sit here. Turn off for a second.